Hello there, everyone. We have a big announcement for you today. As you can see, we have actually just released a workspace-level data sources and Airtable OAuthentication update. So data sources have essentially been moved to the workspace level. Before today, any data source you add in Softr is only added to a specific app, which means you had to re-authenticate the same Airtable and Google account when you wanted to use them in a new app. If you wanted to remove or re-authenticate an Airtable or Google account used across different apps, you had to do it one at a time. But that's all behind us now. Let's see how. So if you go to your workspace, you can actually see on the bottom left here that if I click data sources, all of your data sources that you've connected before should be here. You no longer have to reconnect the same data source every single time. So this is a very important and good update for us here. You can connect any of the ones that you want here through going and pressing continue and then granting access. We do recommend though that whenever you are adding something like this, you should do like all workspaces. If not, it's going to just be a lot more hassle for you. So you can press all workspaces and then grant access, and then boom, it's going to be connected. Now, a question you might be having is why authentication? Every software product eventually is going to move to OAuth due to its higher level of security and the fact that you get more out of what you want to share with it with third-party tools. I mean, think about granting Google access for all the different software updates that you've had before. That's what OAuth is on the Google side, and everyone's pretty used to that at this point. So what's going to happen to the Airtable sources that had been connected via API key? Those are going to essentially be retired in 2024. We recommend that you replace anything that was using the API key immediately, in here. I don't think it would hurt to go through and just redo the authentication for all of these rather than it being done through the API key way. That re-authentication process is actually so simple and easy that it just doesn't hurt to go through and boom, all workspaces, grant access. There's going to be so many different headaches saved by doing this. You're not going to have the API key go away and then you not be able to access your bases. And if you do actually pick that option, that's going to have the all current and future bases and all current and future workspaces. Then what'll happen is you'll remove headaches like, why can't I see the specific base? I just got invited to a workspace. Why can't I see the bases? And why can't I use a Softr template after copying a base? But of course, the OAuth purpose is so that you get what you choose, and you can always re-authenticate a data source and change what you want specifically for that data source to be connected to. Now, what's going to happen to PATs, right? Because when with personal access tokens, anytime we were making new tools, it did have a personal access token, which now it doesn't, so it's not showing here. Existing Airtable accounts that are connected through PAT will still work with Softr, but we're not going to let you set up new ones for the meantime, right? Like this process is just going to be a little bit different than it was prior, and it's just an easier situation now. I can just press copy paste Airtable account, add the base, and then press create application. Putting in the personal access token every time wasn't perfect, and the fact that we improved that is a great step forward. If you guys do have strong reasons for bringing back PAT, do let us know. We're open to hearing your feedback, but overall, this update's just going to be so much simpler to get your different things built inside of Softr using Airtable as a data source. I'm so pumped for all the data sources to be used at the workspace level and for you guys to experience what is going to be one of the best updates we've had so far today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking forward to any more content that we make here, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It helps us a lot. We'll see you in the next one.